Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to use the quadratic formula to solve quadratic equations. The quadratic formula states that x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And it can be applied when ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are the variables. Now if we look to the practice problem on the left, we can see that 4x squared plus 11x minus 20 equals 0. So the first step in finding x is to find out what a, b, and c are. We can do this by using this equation. So here we can see that a equals 4, that b equals 11, and that c equals negative 20. Now we can then take these variables and plug it into the quadratic equation. And then say that x equals negative b, so it'd be negative 11, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a, which is 4, times c, which is negative 20. And all of that over 2 times a. We take this a step further and then simplify this and say that negative 11 plus or minus the square root of 121 minus negative 3 and 20 over 4, or 8, sorry. And then we can take this and simplify it more and say that x equals negative 11 plus or minus the square root of 441 over 8. Now, since 441 simplifies, the square root of 441 simplifies to 21, we can rewrite it as x equals negative 11 plus or minus 21 over 8. Now, we can say that since there's a plus or minus, we can say that x equals negative 11 plus 21 over 8. Or we can say that x equals negative 11 minus 21 over 8. Now if we simplify this, we get that x equals 5 over 4. And if we simplify this, we get that x equals negative 4. So we can rewrite this as x equals 5 over 4, or that x equals negative 4. Now let's do another problem. We can see here that x squared equals 3x plus 3. Now, the first step we want to do is rewrite this as this. So we can subtract both sides by 3x plus 3 to get x squared minus 3x minus 3 equals 0. Now from there, we can see that our variable are 1 for a, that b is negative 3, and that c is also negative 3. So we can say that x equals negative b, so it'd be negative 3, or plus 3, sorry, because the two negatives make it positive, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c over 2 times a. Now if we simplify this, we see that x equals 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 plus 12 over 2 equals x. So we can take this a step further and say that x equals 3 plus or minus square root of 21 over 2. And we can't simplify this further, so this will be our final answer. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe.